Package unit maintenance. 2 Linux, 2 Bryans. Alrighty. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, we're gonna shut it down, test everything, check it out, change the filters, check the coil, clean that off a little bit, check the capacitor, contactors, the whole deal. That's it. You got power off. You can always verify either with your meter or the hot stick. Always does it. Take these out. Yeah, these things are clean, buddy. These things are really clean. Alright. They want me to change them. I change them. Going in. It's always nice when there's no economizers. It's so much easier just to throw them in. Nothing in the way. Throw this bad boy back on. In this big old washer.